Prices of chicken in Chipata have drastically dropped in a space of 3 weeks. Currently, a full matured broiler is being sold between 65 and 80 kwacha from the previous price range of 120 to 95 kwacha in the past weeks. Now, this is despite the prices of all poultry farming products such as chicken feed and one-day-old chicks remaining static for some time now. I talked to an agro dealer trading in poultry products to understand why the sudden reduction in chicken prices.
Feed ya 459 na 419 na 700. Ngapa pakati hapa zinavuta kuja kuenza kwamba tikulipe mai wake oneka kwamba mamai wake ya kula kulomba. So ikalisema kwa price zikapaka ndepa John hama chipisa nkuku. Munga mzabwelera last week itazinapwa Zambia. Alias bantu bakudala wajabinazo kudala so zikonkana chapi ma weeks. So lwaje munga zizinapwera zikonkana na wajamina natenga kudala. So koneka chipisa kuti longoti apereke kuti longo mkomboni ndepa jamone zingopitana pitana. Ali apa nkuku achipisa mtengo yose nichiza mukangisa kudi. So angotazi nichoke chapi nichite mtengo yose ndekuchipa koma mafidi yakalisema.
Research by organizations for economic cooperation and development, as well as the Food and Agriculture Organization, shows that poultry meat consumption currently stands at 72% of all the world's meat consumption. And in Zambia, poultry is currently the main meat consumed by the population, totaling an estimated 50% of the total meat consumed in the country. This has, however, contributed to an increase in people venturing into poultry farming and poultry businesses. However, the influx of chicken on the market is affecting poultry business in Chipata district. One of the poultry traders at Chipata main market, Andros Nyirenda, now explains.
Business hapa madam is slow. It's slow because ya paka na kuku za paka aliens alina so hapa peka mametiri pandika sekula tabaliens hapo ila tina kuku zote sana so loiso kwa customers tiwaone mimi kaida matenga kwa compound kulingu kwa mimi kuzandika kama matenga. That's why business yanga slow aliens alinazo.
Despite the influx of chicken, Adesi Sakala and Dismas Banda, who are also poultry farmers and traders respectively, are not pressured to reduce the prices of broiler chicken because prices for feed and chickens have not been reduced.
Muya dulira feed, feed ya dula. Na tuwa bituma chicks kwa dula. Songa tuwa kuisa 85, 75, but better menos base. So making sure kuti inkuku ikule ndama yako itaitachani ichoke.